In June at our factory event, we launched our new image campaign. This is a new campaign which is based on our former branding campaign. That means this is an evolution of our rebranding campaign from 2019. At that time, we launched a new rebranding for NDS SatCom with the motto diving into a new dimension in satellite communications. Now we are at the time that we are saying, now it's time to experience the NDS Factor. That means that's the creation of our new image campaign and also the motto of our new campaign, which we created this year. Yes, the NDS Factor is our expertise. That means all the NDS SatCom team, we all together, we make the difference of NDS SatCom. That means with our long year experience, and we are acting more than 35 years in the satellite market, and we are serving the markets broadcast, government and defense, and the whole complete experience and expertise, that's our NDS Factor. Yes, for the campaign, we tried to make a marketing campaign for all our business units we are acting and we are serving. That means for defense, broadcast and government. And the governmental market is so big, there are several markets, but we choose the market ATC, air traffic control, because this is our strongest market on the world we are acting. And this is the main market we are focusing. Yes, so we are acting as NDS SatCom. NDS SatCom is our umbrella branding. And under this branding, we are serving several markets. And it's a very big challenge to address all these target groups because they are so different. So the goal is to have several marketing for all these target groups, but then put all together under this umbrella branding NDS SatCom. And that's our new campaign, because in our new campaign with our new video, we are addressing the target groups, defense, broadcast and government, and then putting together all the messages under the umbrella NDS SatCom with the main claim installing reliability.